Host, excited, every single minute, the world loses ice the size of 12 football fields, and at the same time, trillions of dollars move through financial markets. But what if the two were connected? Welcome to today's deep dive on sustainable fintech, the powerful wave of apps and platforms that are transforming how money fights climate change. Stick around, because by the end of this video you'll discover the 5 most game-changing climate finance tools, how they work, and, if you're an investor, how they could even grow your portfolio while healing the planet. Host, climate change is no longer just a science story, it's a finance story. From your banking app to the biggest hedge funds, everyone is trying to channel money into solutions. I'll walk you through real examples, like a student investing spare change into solar projects, and by the end of this 30-minute session, you'll have a crystal clear picture of how technology is rewriting the rules of green finance. Ready to see how your money can become a climate superpower? Let's jump in. Host, first, let's set the stage. Globe showing America's global importance, the UN estimates that fighting climate change needs $4 trillion annually by 2030. That's far beyond what governments can fund alone. Electric light bulb enter FinTech. Over the past decade, financial technology has exploded. Think mobile banking, robo-advisors, blockchain. The next frontier? Sustainable fintech, apps that combine finance with climate action. Quick history, 2008, the first green bonds emerged. 2015, Paris Agreement turbocharged green investment. 2020s, we now see AI-driven platforms that direct capital into renewable projects, carbon credits, and impact startups. Real-world example, Stripe's Climate program lets businesses automatically allocate a slice of every payment to carbon removal projects. That's the power of fintech meeting climate finance. Category, green investment apps. Host, let's start with retail-friendly apps that make climate investing simple. Trying crowdfunds loans for solar projects in emerging markets. Clim8 Invest, curated portfolios of clean tech companies. Consider 22-year-old Anna in Spain. She rounded up her grocery payments through an app and within a year funded enough solar panels to power 30 homes. These apps lower the barrier. You can start with as little as $10 and give you direct impact. Category, carbon tracking and offset platforms. Host, AAP SOC Rohi Honch, investing is great, but what about my own carbon footprint? That's here tracking and offset apps come in. Pachama uses satellite data and AI to verify forest carbon credits. Ecology lets individuals or businesses plant trees and offset emissions automatically. According to Bloomberg, the global voluntary carbon market could reach $50 billion by 2030. Early adopters, whether individuals or companies, stand to benefit both reputationally and financially. Category, institutional and blockchain innovations. Host, now let's zoom out. Big money is moving too. Carbon Place, a blockchain network, enables banks to settle carbon credit trades securely. Energy Web tokenizes renewable energy certificates. Pros? Transparency and trust. Cons? Regulatory uncertainty and crypto volatility. Think of it like the early days of online banking, risky at first, but now essential. Host, what's next? By 2030, analysts predict that over 30% of all new financial apps will have climate impact features. Opportunities, AI predicting climate risk for insurance and portfolios. Cross-border carbon trading made seamless by blockchain. Risks, greenwashing, companies overstating impact. Policy shifts, carbon taxes or credits can change overnight. What if a sudden regulation devalues certain carbon credits? Diversification will be key. Host, smiling, so, from micro-investing apps to blockchain-based carbon markets, sustainable fintech is more than a buzzword, it's a financial revolution. Remember, whether you invest $10 or $10 million, technology now allows you to align profits with planet-saving action. Electric light bulb takeaway, your wallet is now a climate tool. If you found value in this video, thumbs up, sign like, bell subscribe, and speech balloon comment below. Which sustainable finance app would you try first? Together, let's make money matter.